Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. We are 5 minutes from going live. 5 minutes from going live on Instagram for Joico. Unbelievable. Let's get on with it. I'm going to leave the camera rolling so you can see what I do. And let's get in. Hey guys, so I've just got to the salon. I am just prepping my final bits for tonight's Joico takeover over on Instagram. So make sure you're there at 7 PM UK time and 8 PM European time. Look forward to seeing you soon. Yes, so that is me prepped. I've just put another announcement on Instagram just to say we've got an hour to go. So I'm going to put one up 15 minutes before it's actually going on my channel, jump over to Joico Europe, and then I'm going to take over at 7 o'clock to do this look. Absolutely buzzing. So I've just had the music pumping in here, just get me hyped, and then just set the vibe really. So yeah, looking forward to it. Pop the hat on because everybody knows me with a hat, and let's get ready to go. We're going live now. Hello everybody, all the Joico team are here, and there's some of my team in as well. Hey guys, how are we doing? Right, so we're at 75. I'm just going to do a little intro and let you know who I am. So Joico have given us the opportunity to take over their Instagram for 1 hour, and all of us artists are doing it and bringing you education to your home. My name's Paul Watts, and I'm a UK hairdresser. I'm in my Kettering salon this evening, and I'm bringing you live the Jane colour. So my inspiration for colouring in a whole is that I am very much influenced by lifestyle colouring. I'm going to talk about the sectioning, and I'm going to get straight into the colouring. So what I did with the sectioning was, with this side already being pre-done, sectioning here, if you look, if you can all see, so what we have is our first section through here, and that comes in just on the corner of the eyebrow, and then that will travel back to just past the high point of the head. So finding the high point of the head, pop the comb on, there. My section where I go to is just behind that, and then we would follow that through this side to create a nice triangle through that top piece. We then work through this section through here. From our same starting point, which is that just behind the high point, we come through, section through there, and then we're hitting the cheekbone. So if you look at that section through there, we're hitting the cheekbone. And what we're doing there with that sectioning, with creating that panel of colour here, is this is all going to be very dimensional. So you're going to have contour in there, you're going to have a deeper root, and you're going to have a bit of freehand, which is all going to come together and melt in to create a beautiful, bespoke contour colour, which is through here. And you can see this here surrounds the eye. And because we've got the highlighter in there, it's just going to make it pop and make it open up. We then move into this section here. Starting point, exactly the same. So you come through here, section through, you come just behind the ear, through here, and then that, if you were to carry on travelling through, that will then come through and just hit on that jawline. And what this colour is here, it's a smaller section, but this is going to be the contour colour. So this is going to be the same root colour, it's the same root colour throughout. And then this is going to be the B6 and B7 through midlets and ends, all the way through here. Because where that will naturally fall, here, and that will contour in that jawline. So we've achieved the section pattern through there, which leaves us this piece through here. So we've got our angle travelling through there. We then draw a straight line all the way through, and then you go from the occipital bone, which is here, that lump on the back of your head, and then you follow through and then you're hitting that jawline again. So if you're sticking with me, thumbs up, and I'll start colouring. So there we go. That is our route done. That's our N4 and N6 route. Now, we've got our B6 and B7. And all we're going to do is we're going to section through. We're going to get that colour through there. You can see I've left that piece there, because that's for my blend. You want to get a bit more saturation and just start blending those colours through. Like that. And a really easy way to knock it out of the way, get your fingers, twist it, and pop it there. We're not squeezing, we're just wrapping it around our finger, just to keep it out of the way. And there's our blend again. A top tip for blending is to use your knuckles when getting in there. Because your knuckles are of irregular sort of, they're a bone basically. And because we're blending like that, we've got an irregular pattern. And then what it does is it just blends it in nicely, nice and soft. We just twist away through there. Again, pulling this colour through, left a bit there, we're going to blend that out and just melt that together. And the reason I've chosen the N4 and well, the N's and the B's is because with the N's, we're basically working on about 5 1/4, being the N4 and N6 mixed at 2/3 N6 and 1/3 N4, and that'll give us about 5 1/4. So with the B's, what I've done is I've mixed them half and half to give us a 6 1/2. So we're barely even at a level different. But what we want to do is we want to be thinking about the tonal value. So with the tonal value, that's where we get the change in colour. And where you've seen on that side is you've seen the sort of dimension in the colour. You've seen that because we've got a tonal value difference. If we'd have used the N4, N6 and the N6 and N7, we wouldn't have really seen much dimension in there. But because we've got that real saturated root and the tonal value of the difference throughout the mid-levels and ends, we can see that dimension. Right, we're working in this section now. We're pulling this out. And who can guess what the root colour is? First one to put it in the comments gets a high five. A virtual high five. First person, what's the root colour? Come on. So the root colour is N4, N6. Exactly the same all the way through. And what this will do is it will just marry it all together, make it all blend really nice and natural. And then we've got the multi-dimensional colour all the way through, which is going to break it all up, contour it all, but it's going to give it that lovely bit of volume that we're going to achieve with colour. So we're just working through this root. We're going in very deep at that root area, getting that saturation in there, and then when we're just pulling out, we're creating that blend already. So you can see the saturation in that root already. And a top tip as well for when you're doing a root application is when you section through, if you can't see the colour already deposited through, then your section's too thick.
tell me that you can read my mind. How do you get to know how I feel inside? 'Cause I didn't take you there, nah. Oh baby, get out my head, 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 get out my head.
So that is it, that's a wrap. Thank you Joyco for giving me the opportunity to be able to do that for you. I really enjoyed it. Thank you for everybody that watched. It was a pleasure. I look forward to doing the next one. I've just finished the looks, so I'll pin them. I've just took some pictures, so I'll ping them in the video with a picture of it. There's one. There's the colour and the styling. Pretty cool, nice. And then there's the blonde, which has got the deep root and it just blends through and done. So yeah, I'm gonna get home, get some food and then prep for my live on Monday and on Tuesday. So peace out, thank you for watching. I'll chuck in loads of behind the scenes of stuff. First though, people often ask how do you do it and how do you get the confidence to do it? Preparation. This is all my notes of everything I needed on my laptop. I was going to use my laptop for a visual, but I just stuck them on. And lighting, I had a soft light there, I had a ring light in front of me, and I've got another soft light there. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. That was an Instagram live, and then give me a follow. Peace out, take care, see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.
You can read my mind. How do you get to know how I feel inside? 'Cause I